Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Silverwood is a residential neighborhood on the north side of Fredericton, New Brunswick. It sits west of the city center along the banks of the St. John River and is known for its quiet streets, mature trees, and easy access to nature. The neighborhood is part of Fredericton's growing north side and offers a peaceful setting while remaining only a short drive from downtown. Although Silverwood does not have its own official population count, it forms part of the city's north side, contributing to Fredericton's overall population of more than 63,000 people. The area around Silverwood has a long history that stretches back thousands of years. Long before European settlement, the St. John River was an important transportation route for the Wollastocky people, who traveled its waters for hunting, fishing, and trade. European settlement expanded during the late 18th century, with farms and small communities developing along the fertile river valley. Over time, Fredericton grew outward, and former rural areas, such as Silverwood, gradually became established suburban neighborhoods. One of Silverwood's biggest advantages is its access to outdoor recreation. The nearby St. John River provides opportunities for boating, kayaking, canoeing, fishing, and riverside walks. Several walking trails and green spaces connect residents with Fredericton's extensive trail network, allowing people to enjoy the outdoors throughout every season. The surrounding forests and open spaces also make the area attractive for cycling, birdwatching, and winter activities such as snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. Housing in Silverwood reflects Fredericton's steadily growing real estate market. Average home prices generally range between $400,000 and $550,000, depending on the age, size, and location of the property. Homes backing onto wooded areas or offering views of the St. John River often command higher prices. Continued residential development has helped accommodate Fredericton's growing population while preserving much of the area's green space. Fredericton has a population of roughly 65,000 people, while the larger metropolitan area has more than 100,000 residents. The city became the capital of New Brunswick in 1785 after the province was created, following the American Revolution. Loyalists arriving from the United States helped establish many early settlements along the St. John River Valley, including the area that would later become Fredericton. The St. John River is one of the most important natural features in Fredericton and has shaped the history of the region for centuries. Long before European settlement, indigenous communities, including the Wollastocky people, used the river for transportation, fishing, and trade. The river remains central to the city today and influences tourism, recreation, transportation, and local culture throughout the area. Fredericton is known across Canada as a government and education centre. The New Brunswick Legislature and many provincial government offices are located in the downtown area. Government House, historic buildings, and public institutions reflect the city's long role as the political centre of New Brunswick. Government services continue to support a large portion of the local economy today. Education has played an important role in Fredericton for more than 2 centuries. The University of New Brunswick was founded in 1785 and is one of the oldest English-language universities in Canada. St. Thomas University and several colleges also contribute to the city's educational reputation. Students from many parts of Canada and other countries help shape the atmosphere and economy of Fredericton every year. Arts and culture are important parts of life in Fredericton. The city hosts festivals, live music events, art exhibitions, theater performances, and seasonal celebrations throughout the year. Events such as the Harvest Music Festival attract visitors from across Atlantic Canada and beyond. Public markets and riverfront gathering spaces also contribute to the city's cultural atmosphere. Outdoor recreation remains popular throughout Fredericton during every season. Walking trails, cycling routes, parks, and riverfront pathways connect many parts of the city. During winter, snow-covered trails and outdoor sports continue to attract residents and visitors alike. The surrounding forests and river valleys create natural scenery that remains closely connected to life in the city. Fredericton also serves as an important transportation and service center for central New Brunswick. Highways connecting the province to Nova Scotia, Quebec, Prince Edward Island, and Maine pass through the region. These transportation links help support trade, tourism, and long-term economic growth throughout the city and surrounding communities. Today, Fredericton continues to balance historic traditions with modern growth and development. The city combines government institutions, universities, cultural attractions, outdoor recreation, and residential neighborhoods along the St. John River Valley. Visitors passing through Fredericton experience a city shaped by history, education, natural landscapes, and generations of community development in Atlantic Canada. Thanks for watching!